Have you ever noticed how the Kardashians just never disappear? Like every few months, there's some new headline about them, a new brand, a new relationship, some kind of drama, and somehow they're still one of the most famous families in the world. And sometimes we all do wonder, was that actually luck or was it planned? Because when you start looking at their story, it feels like Kris Jenner knew exactly what she was doing. Think about it. Back in 2007, when Kim Kardashian's tape with RJ became public, most families would have tried to hide completely, like disappear from the media, avoid interviews, wait until people forget. But instead, not long after the whole controversy, their reality show Keeping Up with the Kardashians started, and suddenly everyone was watching their lives. What could have ruined their image actually made them even more famous. It's almost like Kris Jenner understood something very early. If people are talking about you, you're winning. Even if they're criticizing you, they're still paying attention. And attention is basically the most valuable thing on the internet. Honestly, it feels like she understood the algorithm even before the algorithm understood itself. But the real interesting part is that she did not just make them famous, she turned them into businesses. Like Kim built Skims, Kylie built Kylie Cosmetics, Kendall focused on modeling and high fashion, Chloe created Good American. Every sister has her own brand and her own audience, and that does not feel random. It feels like a very smart plan. And then every time there's some new controversy, cheating scandal, internet backlash, relationship drama, people talking about their wealth, they never actually disappear. Somehow there's always something new happening. A new season, a new product, a new story. It's like the drama keeps the attention alive. Kris Jenner seems to understand that the fame today is not really about everyone liking you. It's about everyone talking about you. She turned controversy into content and content into money. Even Kim's relationship with Kanye West made the family even more powerful in fashion and culture. And when that ended, it did not destroy the brand either. It became another storyline people were following. At this point, it almost feels like Kardashians don't just react to media, they kind of know how to use it. Kris Jenner did not just manage her daughters like a normal manager. It feels like she built a whole fame system where attention creates business, business creates power, and that power keeps the attention going. So now I'm curious, what do you think? Do you think the Kardashians were really smart about it, or do you think they were just lucky at the right time? Tell me in the comments because I really want to know what people think about this.